Hello and good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope all of you are in a good health condition. Alright, our activities for today is we will discuss about the material of handling guest requests and handling guest complaints. This is the continuation of the previous semester materials and we will learn about it deeper in this meeting. Okay, let's continue to the next slide. Firstly, we will discuss about how to handle the guest requests. In order to get the most satisfaction, guests make some requests. Most of these requests will be reasonable, such as asking for more napkins at the restaurant or having a burnout light bulb replaced in the room. And some requests may be outrageous and outside the normal service parameters of the hotel. And in either case, the request must be politely listened by the staff and professionally attended to. Look at the example below of possible requests that a case may make. Okay, the next slide is about possible guest requests. Jadi di sini ada beberapa contoh kalimat yang merupakan permintaan dari tamu. For example, number 1, could I have another order of garlic toast? Di sini tamu meminta menu lain selain garlic toast. Yang kedua, I would like extra soap and shampoo left in the room. Jadi tamu meminta adanya tambahan sabun dan juga shampoo. Kemudian yang ketiga, would it be possible to get a 2 minutes boiled egg? Jadi di sini tamu meminta telur yang hanya direbus selama 2 menit. Contoh selanjutnya, could you arrange a tea time of 7 AM for 4 at the country club? Di sini tamu meminta kepada staf agar staf mengatur waktu untuk minum teh pada jam 7 untuk 4 orang di country club. The next example is about the guests in the next room are very noisy. Could we change rooms? Jadi di sini tamu meminta pindah karena kamar di depan kamar mereka sangat ribut. The last one, is it possible to get free samples of all the facial products the spa sells? Di sini tamu meminta sampel gratis dari produk-produk facial yang dijual oleh spa. The next slide is about the responses to requests. Jadi slide selanjutnya merupakan respon atau tanggapan terhadap permintaan tamu tadi. They are the first one, yes sir, I will take care of that right away. I will attend to that immediately. I'm not sure, let me talk to my supervisor. I will be back in a moment. I will get right on that. I will be right back with that item. I will see if I can find some. I will get some right away. Okay, there is an example of dialogue between guests and also the staff. Jadi ini ada contoh dialog yang terjadi antara tamu dan juga staffnya. Guest, instead of herbal tea, do you happen to have Earl Grey? Staff, I'm sorry ma'am, but herbal tea is all we have at the moment. Guest, could I get some more weights added to this machine? This is no challenge at all. Staff, I will get more weight right away. How much more? Guess, could you find out the form for me? I hurt my writing hand. Staff, of course sir. First, how do you spell your family name? Nah, contoh ini sudah pernah kita pelajari ketika kita mempelajari tema yang sama di semester yang lampau. Sekarang saya akan menambahkan ada 2 video yang akan saya berikan, dan ini belum pernah saya putarkan sebelumnya. Jadi di semester ini kita akan mempelajari lebih lanjut tentang handling guest request dan juga handling guest complaint. Tapi terlebih dahulu akan kita putar video yang merupakan how to handle guest request ya. Nanti ada 2 video, kemudian on the next slide di situ ada pertanyaan yang kalian harus jawab. There are 6 questions that you should answer. Kemudian silahkan dikerjakan di buku catatan saja. Please write the answers on your notebook. Dan cara pengumpulannya seperti biasa melalui Google Classroom ya. Oke, nanti tulis tangan saja, kemudian hasil jawabannya silakan kalian foto dan kirimkan via GC ya. Oke, via Google Classroom. Kemudian setelah video ini kalian amati dengan cermat, dengan baik, jangan lupa dijawab pertanyaannya, kemudian langsung dikirimkan tugasnya ya, hari ini juga, karena pertanyaannya hanya 6 dan they are simple questions, jadi pertanyaannya cukup sederhana dan tidak terlalu susah. Hanya yang perlu kalian kerjakan dan perlu kalian amati adalah videonya secara mendetail. Oke, nanti setelah kalian selesai untuk menjawab pertanyaan yang saya berikan, kita akan melanjutkan ke materi yang part B, yaitu tentang guest complaint. Oke, thank you.
Good afternoon, Miss Virginia.
Good afternoon.
Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. So, how was your stay so far?
Yeah, it's enjoyable stay here.
I'm glad to hear that. So, how may I assist you, Miss Virginia?
I want to book a table for 2 for dinner tomorrow.
For dinner.
Yeah.
So, Miss Virginia, for the restaurant, we have 3 restaurants in our hotel. So, the first one is Easy Restaurants. It's open for all day dining. And second one is Elizabeth Restaurant, open for lunch and dinner only. And we have a Cocoa Story as a coffee shop. Is it good for relaxing and gather with friends? So, which one would you like to make a reservation in?
I think I'd like to choose to have dinner in Elizabeth Restaurant.
Elizabeth Restaurant. And for the room number is 103, is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
And would you like to have reservation under your name?
Yes, please.
And what time would you like to have your dinner?
I think I'd like to have dinner at around 6.
6. Alright, at 6 o'clock. So, Miss Virginia, allow me to check to the availability at the restaurant for tomorrow. Would you like wait a moment, please? Good afternoon, I'm Anggi calling for guest relation. So I would like to have an information about the seating availability for tomorrow for the person. Alright. Could you please hold the table for tomorrow? Yeah. For Mrs. Virginia, the room number is 103. Thank you very much. Thank you for waiting, Miss Virginia. So for the table availability, we do have the indoor and outdoor. So which one that you prefer?
I think it will be sunny tomorrow, right? So I think I'll prefer it outdoor.
Outdoor. Alright. Is there anything else like special need or special request to have?
Well, my husband is fond of fish actually, so could you please do not serve any kinds of fish?
No fish for your husband.
Will there be another menu at Elizabeth Restaurant?
Yes, of course. So at Elizabeth restaurant, we serving international menu and Italian menu.
Oh, that's perfect. I think my husband loves pizza.
Absolutely. Oh well, Miss Virginia, let me recount from your reservation. So your reservation will be under name Miss Virginia. You book for dinner for 2% at Elizabeth restaurant at 6 o'clock, and you prefer to have a table at outdoor. And we have special request no fish for your husband. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So I will make the reservation at the restaurant. Is there anything else that I may assist you with?
I think that's all. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much, Miss Virginia, for the reservation.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Yeah, so can I have more additional of one package toothpaste and toothbrush, 2 shower caps, and 1 bar soap? Can I? Okay, thank you very much. You too.
Good afternoon, Miss Angie.
Good afternoon.
I'm Vera, the room attendant. I'm delivering your bathroom amenities that you requested.
Uh-huh.
There are shower cap, bar soap, toothpaste, and toothbrush.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I may assist you with?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too, Tara.
Thank you.